everyone, this is Carla R. Jenkins. Welcome to the Midweek Review. The title of this is going to be AI 900 Accomplished. So, off the bat, that the midweek report, the halfway point, the progress report, number one is I passed my Azure AI Fundamental Certification exam. This is my third Microsoft Azure Cloud certification and my sixth cloud certification overall. I will, and I have talked about the lessons learned for my Azure. I'm going to link it below in this video. So if you're watching this on carlarjenkins.com or YouTube or anywhere, you'll be able to link to that video. But this one is completely different than the other two. Also, I want to talk about why I took it. I took it because I was actually speaking to an interviewer and she noted my cloud certification and she mentioned artificial intelligence. That means that there was a job demand for artificial intelligence and this certification. I'm also a techie who loves to be on the cutting edge of that. And that's why I took it. So this is the third Azure exam, the third fundamentals one, and it's my understanding that the fundamentals don't expire, which is great because a lot of jobs are out there for artificial intelligence, and as a techie, I always want to be on the pulse and on the cutting edge, and passing this helps me accomplish that. Also, it expands my tools and my ability to help other people with their hybrid or multi-cloud projects. So if you do need help in that area, get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. Number two is extending my professional networking via online or in person. Today, which is Tuesday, November the 3rd, 2020, I received the Data Science Go virtual conference certificate of attendance. I'm grateful for that because one of their presentations was feature engineering, which was in the AI 900, so that really helped me. And also it partnered with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So if you watch the series of my videos, you know I passed the Oracle Foundation Associate, and I'm currently multi-cloud in 3 cloud computing languages: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle. So just having that tie-in was great because I already had the Oracle Cloud Computing knowledge, so I was able to not just learn more, but have a fundamental understanding of what the Data Science Go virtual conference was all about because I've actually done the work. Also, I will be expanding beyond LinkedIn into other, virtual career fairs as well as virtual interviewing events, and just learning more about artificial intelligence, machine learning, as well as cloud computing because, as I mentioned before, I'm a techie. So I expect to do even more professional networking. I also want to shout out my awesome training specialists who are behind my multi-cloud journey. What I will say about expanding and doing the computer labs and learning more about cloud computing and doing the work and supplementing it with the certifications is that my job search and my skill set has expanded, and that has increased a lot of my opportunities, which I'm truly grateful for. So I will say that with number two. Number three is expect more blog posts from both carlarjenkins.com and positivitychange.com. So for carlarjenkins.com, I already have the Azure AI Fundamentals blog that's up. Expect the Lessons Learned blog to be up this week. With Positivity Change, November is National Gratitude Month, so expect even more gratitude resources. Also, if you're watching this on Wednesday, the Positivity Change post, November is National Gratitude Month newsletter came out. You can still sub to get it at positivitychange.com/mailing list. So I wanted to put that out. That new content will be out on both the blogs. Go check it out. Regarding Carla R. Jenkins, I would like to thank you, the reader, for getting my blog 1,721 monthly page views. So that means over 1,700, especially for a solo blogger. That matters a lot. So I did want to bring up the numbers. I do want to thank you for taking out the time to come into my site. It matters so much. Number 4, I got 2 new income reports, one from Medium, and one from Ingram Spark. And Ingram Spark is an independent book publisher. So I published Expand Your Personal Brand 4 years ago in 2016, and even 4 years later, it's still earning me money. That means that means so much to me. And then also for National Novel Writing Month, or NaNoWriMo, I'm working on Expand Your Personal Brand too, because there's been a lot of changes, and I wrote the book to help people with the 20 branding opportunities, and that's the same thing that I want for you in 2020 going into 2021. There's a lot of changes. I want to be able to help people, especially in a time like this. So be on the lookout for Expand Your Personal Brand to be coming. I'm writing a draft right now because I just feel that there's a need for that, and I really truly want to help people be on their way in personal branding. And then number 5 is new store offerings. So, you can check out my shop at carlarjenkins.com/shop directly on my website. You can also go to sales.com and check me out. Anything regarding personal branding and project management, I will have new stuff. As you know, I'm a certified project management professional, and I want to have everything current, especially with all the changes going on. I want to be able to help you as much as possible, so expect even more projects and products and services coming out. Once again, you can shop my store directly on my website at carlarjenkins.com/shop. So this is the halfway report, midweek review. It's not over. I do come back on Friday for the week in review. And if you ever watched any of my videos, you know a whole lot can change in a day or two. But to keep up with me and to work with me, get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. So I would like to thank everyone for watching the week in review, and I'll see you in the week in review. Goodbye.